Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and soup season has begun. So let's take this can of tomato soup and turn it into pizza soup. Come on, let's go.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil into the skillet here. I already have some. I'm gonna take 2 Italian sausages, mild ones. I've already split them so they cook quicker, and I'm gonna put them in the skillet. Love the sizzle sound. Now, I'm gonna let these brown on one side, then I'm gonna flip them. And in the meantime, I'm gonna wash my hands. All right, let's get these good and brown. Don't worry about them fall apart. We're gonna chop them up anyway for our soup. At this point, I'm gonna cut them up into pieces. And make sure they're brown all the way. Oh yeah. Now that our sausage is totally brown, we're going to transfer it to our soup pot. Now on a medium heat, I'm adding 2 cloves of garlic very quickly, because I don't want our sausage to burn. I'm adding a teaspoon of oregano, another teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Oops, this is parsley. My mistake. A teaspoon, starting over, of Italian seasoning. And now the parsley is going to be for last. We take this, quickly move it around. Open our can of soup. Put it in. Stir it around. This infuses the flavor inside of it. Ah, yes. Now, I'm going to get a can, half of this can rather, of milk. I'm going to get the remaining soup off the walls of the can with the milk, of course. See? Now, I'm going to pour this in. Get all that out. Stir this around. Then I'm going to put in a pinch of sugar. Now you don't have to if you want a more traditional taste. All right. Let's bring this to a simmer, okay? All right, nieces and nephews, our soup is done. Look at that. Now, we're going to take some, ladle it into our bowl, just like that. Oh, yes. I'm going to put a slice of Munster cheese. You can use any cheese you want. You can even use mozzarella. Cover it with a top. Let it sit. Okay. For 5 minutes. Okay, all right. Ooh. Top with some parsley. And you got yourself some good old pizza soup.
Casey. And yes, it is good. Look at this. Look at this. Are you ready? Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. That's a cheese pull. It's hot. You won't see me burn my mouth. Tastes just like a pizza in a soup. All right. That bowl is hot. Like, comment, subscribe. I know I'm over the top. City girl, come on with it. What soup you got? Also, write to me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. And yes, I've got the barbecue chicken soup coming up next. At least I think that's what's coming up next. We'll see. All right, guys. And I got some seafood soup coming up too. Don't forget, let me know what you want me to do. And don't forget to write to me. Okay, and if you need food, please let me know. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking?